Unlock your future with Openledger. Join the AI revolution and earn big. Imagine being part of a groundbreaking movement where your actions today could earn you $1,000 to $3,000, all while shaping the future of artificial intelligence. That's the power of Openledger, a bold new blockchain platform designed to reward you for fueling AI innovation. Ready to seize this life-changing opportunity? Let's dive in. Why Openledger feels like home for dreamers and doers. Openledger isn't just another tech project. It's a community-driven revolution. This blockchain, built for AI, empowers you to earn rewards, amplify your impact, and grow alongside a network of visionaries. By joining now during the testnet phase, you're not just participating, you're claiming your spot at the forefront of a global transformation. Here's why Openledger sparks joy and purpose. Empower your creativity. Openledger's data attribution pipeline ensures you're rewarded for every piece of data you contribute. Watch your efforts build a lasting reputation and unlock even bigger payouts over time. Unleash your inner innovator. With the Model Factory, you can create, refine, and interact with AI models. No coding skills required. It's like having a playground for your ideas, where your imagination fuels progress. Simplify and soar. The OpenLaura tool lets you run thousands of AI models on a single computer, seamlessly switching between them without draining resources. Build chatbots, assistants, or integrations with ease and feel the thrill of effortless creation. By joining Openledger, you're not just earning rewards, you're becoming a pioneer in a decentralized AI ecosystem that values your voice and vision. The opportunity of a lifetime awaits. Openledger is in its testnet phase, a golden window where early adopters like you can reap massive rewards. The platform has set aside a dedicated token allocation for X-creators, meaning your influence and engagement can translate into real, tangible gains. This isn't just about points. It's about building wealth, influence, and a legacy in the AI-driven future. The emotional payoff? You'll feel the rush of being ahead of the curve, the pride of contributing to cutting-edge technology, and the security of knowing your efforts are paving the way for financial freedom. Don't wait. This is your chance to shine. How to join the Openledger movement? Ready to transform your passion into profit? Follow these simple steps to unlock testnet rewards and become an Openledger superstar. Set up your node. Download the Openledger node for Android or Chrome browser. It's your gateway to earning points effortlessly. Sign in with ease. Open the node and log in with your Gmail account. It's quick, secure, and gets you started in seconds. Claim daily rewards. Log in every day to collect points. Each login is a step closer to unlocking life-changing rewards. Amplify your impact. Invite friends to join and earn referral bonuses. The more you share, the more you gain. Building a network feels amazing. Maximize your points. Rack up as many points as possible. The higher your score, the greater your rewards when tokens are distributed. Supercharge your influence as an X-creator. Want to take your rewards to the next level? Openledger is calling all X-creators to shine. By creating buzz and climbing the leaderboard, you'll unlock exclusive token rewards and cement your status as a trailblazer. Here's how to make waves. Create your X presence. Sign up for an X account. It's your stage to inspire and connect. Follow the pulse. Stay in the loop by following Openledger's official account. Join Cato. Sign up for Cato using your X account. It's your hub for creating impactful content. Share your passion. Post engaging content about Openledger. Tell the world why this project excites you. Climb the leaderboard. Interact frequently, spark conversations, and watch your rank soar. The higher you climb, the bigger your rewards. Every post, every interaction, every connection you make is a step toward financial and emotional fulfillment. You're not just creating content, you're building a legacy. Why this matters to you joining Openledger isn't just about earning rewards. It's about belonging to a community that celebrates your contributions. You'll feel the thrill of being part of something bigger, the pride of mastering cutting-edge technology, and the joy of watching your efforts pay off. This is your chance to turn curiosity into opportunity, passion into profit, and dreams into reality. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime moment. The testnet phase won't last forever, and the rewards are reserved for those bold enough to act now. Openledger is your ticket to the future. Grab it, embrace it, and let's build something extraordinary together. You can find all links you will need in the description below. Subscribe for more life-changing opportunities like this one.